Welcome back to SCC Toyota Approved Car of the Week. This week we have the Toyota Prius Plus. This is the perfect car for eco-conscious families who might need 7 seats. So efficiency is a key highlight of the Prius Plus with this 1.8 litre VVT hybrid engine. So the 17-inch alloy wheels provide fantastic ride comfort for the family, while the front grille adds to the style of the whole vehicle. The Prius Plus boasts a modern aerodynamic design. Its elongated body gives extra space for those rear passengers and their legroom, particularly in the 7-seat format. Inside the Prius Plus, the spacious cabin allows seating for up to 7 passengers. The versatile rear seats can be adjusted to accommodate additional cargo, giving versatility for various needs. Equipped with a user-friendly infotainment system, the Prius helps you keep connected with satellite navigation, Bluetooth and a great sound system. The Prius is packed full of loads of technology that you'll find really helpful. Everything from climate control, reversing camera, auto headlights, and even lots of storage as well. Safety is a priority on the Prius Plus. It comes with anti-lock brakes with EBD and stability control, as well as loads of airbags. There's additional convenience features such as reversing cameras and parking sensors, so that manoeuvring is super easy for you.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro.
With some great features, extra safety and fuel efficiency, the Prius is the perfect choice for any family looking for an efficient MPV. This has been SCC Car of the Week. My name's Tom, and for more information follow the link below.